Hello there. If you're watching this video, then you probably feel that there's something missing in your guitar playing. You might be frustrated because you feel locked into playing the same handful of songs, the same licks, the same chords, the same way, all the time. Every single time you pick up your guitar. And you have no idea how to break out of this guitarist rut. So what I'd like to offer you here is a completely free video series that will enable you to break the habits that keep your guitar playing stuck in the same place and enable you to unleash your creativity and find new sounds, new expressions in a way that will bring out the awesome guitar player that both you and I know that you are. In this video series, I will show you step by step how easy it is to change the way you think about your guitar and start playing it like a confident, professional musician. You will learn exactly step by step how to break those predictable rhythm patterns that make your playing sound stilted and lifeless, just like millions of average guitar players. And I will show you how to take any piece of music and make it absolutely your own, how to inject character and groove and personality into every lick, every riff, and every chord you play in a way that will make anyone who listens to you say, "Wow, when did you learn to play like that?" In this video series, you will actually learn a complete roadmap to taking your guitar creativity to a whole new level in a simple, easy, and super fun way. All you need to do is to click the button below and let me know where you are currently in your musical journey and what is your wildest guitar dream. So click it, sign up, and get instant access to the first video in the series. Because let me tell you something, when you really connect to your guitar, and you enjoy each and every second that you play, then you can really fly. But don't take my word for it. This method has proven itself on millions of people who are now playing and enjoying their guitar in a way that they could only dream of before they discover what I'm about to share with you in this video series. So go ahead, click the button below, sign up, and I will see you on the other side. I can't wait.